Good morning. This is Safari Plumbing doing a video inspection on the property address 3456 Floresta Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90043. We have a two-way clean out on the front lawn, which is nicely installed above grade, and we run the camera upstream towards the house about 55 feet, 56 right there, and you can see that's the end of the line clean out, the end of the line cup, and there's a toilet connecting to that. So the pipe you're looking at is a ABS pipe schedule 40, which is a newer material that is used on sewer line and waste lines, including the small secondary lines. This pipe is not able to corrode on the inside. It's pretty good when it graded properly. There is no potential of backup unless there is so much accumulation of paper towels or sludge inside. On this line it looks clear. We were running water before, and basically we're going to pull the camera back to the clean out, and then we'll run the camera from the clean out to the city. Okay, what you see right there is water standing on the pipe. The reason you see that is there may be a strap that is missing, or the pipe is not pinched correctly to be able to have a 1/4 inch per foot rule of thumb for the drain lines to drain. And here we have a transition to cast iron pipe, which is the metal pipe original with the house, a small section, then back to the ABS pipe, which is a plastic pipe. And now we are back to cast iron pipe. So there was a small section of ABS pipe, then transition to cast iron pipe, which is presumably original with the house. Cast iron is the metal composition of pipe that is usually rusted on the inside because of water and oxidation, and usually we check the amount of rust on the inside, which can be able to clean some paper towels and that causing blockage. On this case, the cast iron is looking serviceable. Now we're getting close to the clean out, and then we'll flip the camera and run it straight to the street from here. And now we are facing towards the street. And still from the clean out, we have a cast iron pipe, which is the metal pipe. And if we back up a little bit, we see where the cast iron pipe connects to the clay pipe. This is by the public right of way, and we now enter clay pipe. Clay pipe is 5-foot sections of pipe that are glued together using concrete, and we'll be checking for if there is any root intrusion, any breaks or major offset on the line. Right there we have a minor root intrusion on the top, very minor. This is a 6-inch clay pipe in diameter, which is pretty big pipe. Okay, and right there we enter the city, Radero. So there is the city. You can see water draining right there, and that will complete our video inspection. Please refer to our invoice for the findings on this line. Thank you for watching. This is Safari Plumbing.